Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And if you've ever never been to the Awards and Personalization Association Expo in Las Vegas, and if you were ever going to go, this would be the year to go. It's February 18th through the 21st next year, 2020, at the Paris in Las Vegas. We normally have them at the Rio, but they've changed to the Paris, which is on the Strip. We have a great time. The elves from Epilogue's Facebook page have a blast. But this year, the lineup for learning is unreal. Starting off Tuesday, February 18th, Beginner's Guide to Corel 2019. I will be setting in on this class. Roger Wambo with the Corel Corporation is their senior education guy. He's probably the #1 knowledgeable person in Corel on the face of the earth. He's going to talk about Corel 219, including tools and features. Going down, step up your Corel game. I don't know Lisa, but JDS is the leader in engraving products. Is your artwork stale or boring? She's going to show us some tricks. I'll be setting in on that class. CorelDraw features, a second class by Roger. He's going to talk about some other stuff. Cutting acrylic script fonts, using print merge, print multiple blanks, creating distress looks. And it's really, I can't say enough about this man. I've never met him. We've emailed more than multiple times, back and forth, and he's helped me out tremendously. Mike Dean with Epilogue, one of the owners of Epilogue, one of the leading people of laser industry, and he's real knowledgeable about CorelDraw, and he's for surely will be using CorelDraw to show this off. And and there's a lot of classes that aren't CorelDraw that you can still learn from. Engraving on Metal by Ryan, a friend of mine from Austin, Texas. With his new, couple years ago, he came out with a product called EnduraMark to mark metal with your CO2 lasers. He's going far and beyond and adding new colors instead of just black. He's got silver and diamond stuff. Randy Allen, one of the top, I would consider him one of the top 5 people from Arlington, Texas, about CorelDraw. And he'll be talking about 2019. And another friend of mine, Jason Ram from near my hometown, engraving on photos. Almost 100% sure he's going to be using CorelDraw. It's a 4:30 to 6 p.m. Class. And I'll be setting in on that. Then we come to Wednesday. And we're going to go down and CorelDraw for the woodworker, put on by myself. Learn to use Corel to engrave and cut wood, paint, fill, and other. I mean, I'm gonna have a lot of samples to explore and hand out that I've done and tell you how I did them. Laser hack. I mean, I don't even know David, but I'm sure this is a Corel type product. If not, you're going to learn how to engrave photos on marble and plastic and metal. Thursday, my second class, intermediate to advanced. I'm going to go all out here and show you the possibilities of Corel in the laser industry and how to add bling to your work. There's sand carving class, tips in 90 minutes. It just goes on and on. Most years, it's hard to figure out which class to go to because some of them are the same time. But I think they've got all the Corel ones handed, out where everybody can attend them all. We have a blast. We get together, we meet, we go eat, we go to Fremont Street. I know it's hard for a lot of people in business to take off in the expense of going to Las Vegas, but it's worth every penny. I think this will be my 13th consecutive year. So think about going, and if you happen to go and would like to come to Roger's class or one of my classes, make sure you come up and introduce yourself and tell me who you are, and we'll see if we can't teach you something this year. This is going to be an outstanding year. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.